Oh my gosh, it looks like they have an old worn out shutter. If only there was a solution. Wonder if I got something in my pocket. Huh, looky here. Don't know if it's the right size or not. Let's go see. Huh, perfect fit. Call John Shutters and Aramco. We can do a perfect fit for you too. 2-year parts and labor warranted shutter. Impact rated, tough tested, made in the USA. Come get your John Shutters and Aramco Hurricane Shutters today. 409-316-9922. You'll be glad you did.